Welcome to the vibrant city of Dubai. A dazzling metropolis that seamlessly blends the old with the new, where towering skyscrapers meet traditional souks, and the desert sands give way to crystal-clear waters. In this ultimate travel guide, we'll take you on an unforgettable journey through the 15 best places to visit in Dubai in 2024. Whether you're a first-time traveler or a seasoned explorer, these must-see spots will showcase the very best that Dubai has to offer. Borge Khalifa. We begin our journey at the iconic Borge Khalifa, the crown jewel of Dubai's skyline. Standing at an awe-inspiring 828 meters, the Borge Khalifa is not just the tallest building in the world but a symbol of human achievement and ambition. The experience starts from the ground floor of the Dubai Mall, where you can enter the at-the-top observation decks on the 124th and 148th floors. As you ascend, the city unfolds beneath you, offering panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. At night, the view transforms into a glittering sea of lights, a sight you'll never forget. Miracle Garden. Dubai Miracle Garden is a floral paradise that must be seen to be believed. This breathtaking garden is home to over 150 million flowers arranged in stunning displays that change every season. From heart-shaped arches and life-size floral sculptures to full-scale replicas of famous landmarks, the Miracle Garden is a feast for the eyes and a photographer's dream. Each year, the garden introduces new themes and designs, ensuring that every visit offers something fresh and exciting. It's the perfect place to escape the hustle and bustle of the city and immerse yourself in a world of natural beauty. The Dubai Fountain. Just outside the Dubai Mall, you'll find the captivating Dubai Fountain, the world's largest choreographed fountain system. Set on the 30-acre Borge Lake, the fountain's powerful water jets shoot up to 150 meters in the air, dancing in perfect harmony with a diverse selection of music from classical to contemporary pop. The spectacle is enhanced by a stunning light show, making it a mesmerizing experience that is free for everyone to enjoy. Whether you watch from the waterfront promenade or take a traditional Abri boat ride on the lake, the Dubai Fountain is a must-see. Jumeirah. Dubai is a city of superlatives, and Palm Jumeirah is a testament to this ambition. This man-made island, shaped like a palm tree, is an engineering marvel and a symbol of Dubai's luxury lifestyle. Palm Jumeirah is home to some of the city's most luxurious resorts and residences, including the world-famous Atlantis, the Palm. You can indulge in a day of relaxation at the pristine beaches, explore the thrilling Aquaventure water park, or dine in one of the many world-class restaurants. For a truly unforgettable experience, consider a helicopter tour or a skydiving adventure to witness the full grandeur of this architectural wonder. Dubai Marina. Next, we head to Dubai Marina, a stunning waterfront development that epitomizes modern luxury. Surrounded by sleek skyscrapers and luxury residences, Dubai Marina is the perfect place to unwind. Take a leisurely stroll along the Marina Promenade, where you can admire the luxurious yachts docked in the marina, or enjoy a meal at one of the many restaurants offering breathtaking views of the water. For a unique perspective, hop on a traditional dhow cruise, where you can enjoy a dinner under the stars while gliding through the tranquil waters. Jumeirah Beach Residence. For those looking to soak up the sun, Jumeirah Beach Residence, or JBR, is Dubai's ultimate beachfront destination. This lively area offers a perfect blend of relaxation and excitement. With pristine sandy beaches, crystal clear waters, and a wide range of water sports. Whether you're looking to relax on the beach, try your hand at jet skiing, or enjoy a meal at one of the many beachfront cafes and restaurants, JBR has something for everyone. In the evenings, the area comes alive with street performers and outdoor cinema screenings, making it a perfect spot for families and friends. Dubai Frame. Dubai Frame is one of the city's newest and most unique landmarks. This towering structure, shaped like a giant picture frame, offers a fascinating journey through Dubai's past, present, and future. As you ascend to the top, you'll walk across a glass bridge that connects the two towers, offering spectacular views of the city's contrasting landscapes. On one side, you'll see the historic districts of Dubai, while on the other, the modern skyscrapers that define the city's skyline. The Dubai Frame provides a perfect snapshot of how far the city has come and a glimpse of what lies ahead. Dubai Creek and Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood. For a taste of Dubai's rich heritage, a visit to Dubai Creek and the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood is essential. Dubai Creek, the heart of the city's history, was once a bustling trade route for merchants from all over the region. Today, you can take a traditional Abra boat ride across the creek, where you'll see a mix of old and new Dubai. Just a short walk away is the Al Fahidi Historical Neighborhood, one of the oldest areas in the city. Here, you can wander through narrow alleys lined with wind towers, visit art galleries, and explore the Dubai Museum, housed in the 18th century Al Fahidi fort. Souks of Dubai. No trip to Dubai would be complete without exploring its traditional souks, where the city's rich trading history comes to life. Start your journey at the Gold Souk, where you'll be dazzled by the glittering displays of gold jewelry, diamonds, and precious stones. Just a short walk away is the Spice Souk. The Desert Safari. To experience the wild beauty of Dubai's desert, a desert safari is a must. This adventure takes you beyond the city's glitz and glamour and into the vast, golden sands of the Arabian desert. Begin your journey with an exhilarating dune-bashing experience in a 4x4 vehicle, followed by a visit to a traditional Bedouin camp. Here, you can try your hand at camel riding, get a henna tattoo, and enjoy a traditional Arabian dinner under the stars. The evening is capped off with a mesmerizing performance of belly dancing and tanura, making it an unforgettable experience. Dubai Opera. Dubai Opera is the city's cultural hub, a world-class venue that hosts a diverse range of performances, from opera and ballet to concerts and theater. Located in the heart of downtown Dubai, this architectural masterpiece is designed to resemble a traditional dhow, paying homage to the city's maritime heritage. Inside, the state-of-the-art auditorium provides an intimate setting for audiences to enjoy performances by some of the world's most talented artists. Whether you're a fan of classical music, contemporary dance, or live theater, Dubai Opera offers an unforgettable cultural experience. Ski Dubai. Imagine skiing in the desert sounds impossible, right? Not in Dubai. Ski Dubai, located inside the Mall of the Emirates, is the Middle East's first indoor ski resort. With 5 slopes of varying difficulty, it's a winter wonderland that offers something for everyone, from beginners to seasoned skiers. But the fun doesn't stop there. Ski Dubai is also home to a colony of adorable penguins, which you can meet up close in the snow park. Whether you're hitting the slopes or just enjoying the snowy ambience, Ski Dubai is a one-of-a-kind experience you won't want to miss. Jumeirah is Dubai's coolest beachfront destination, offering a perfect blend of sun, sand, and style. With its trendy cafes, boutique shops, and vibrant street art, Jumeirah is a great place to relax and unwind. The beachfront area is perfect for swimming or lounging in the sun, while the boardwalk is lined with restaurants offering a wide range of cuisines. For families, Jumeirah has plenty to offer, including a water park, playgrounds, and even a cinema. Whether you're looking for a day of relaxation or a fun-filled outing, Jumeirah is the place to be. The Dubai Mall. Right at the base of Borge Khalifa lies the Dubai Mall, a retail paradise that goes beyond shopping. With over 1,200 stores, you can find everything from high-end fashion to electronics and more. But the Dubai Mall is much more than just a shopping destination. Step into the Dubai Aquarium and Underwater Zoo, one of the largest suspended aquariums in the world, home to thousands of aquatic animals. If you're feeling adventurous, strap on some skates at the Olympic-sized Dubai Ice Rink or take a stroll down Fashion Avenue, where luxury brands line the elegant corridors. The Global Village. Our final stop is the Global Village, a cultural extravaganza that brings the world to Dubai. Open during the cooler months, Global Village is a massive open-air market that features pavilions from over 90 countries, each offering unique products, food, and entertainment. As you stroll through the village, you can experience different cultures, taste exotic cuisines, and enjoy live performances ranging from traditional dance to contemporary music. The Global Village is a celebration of diversity and a fun-filled experience for the whole family, making it a must-visit on any Dubai itinerary. Dubai is a city of endless possibilities, where every visit offers new experiences. From towering skyscrapers and luxurious shopping malls to serene beaches and cultural landmarks, Dubai has something for everyone. Which of these amazing places are you most excited to visit in 2024?